Good morning. How did you sleep last night? B. I had a great sleep. How about you? A. I slept well too. Ready to start the day? A. What's on your agenda for today? B. I have a few meetings at work and then I need to run some errands. How about you? I have a doctor's appointment in the morning and then I'll be working from home. A. Do you have any plans for lunch? B. I was thinking of trying out the new cafe down the street. Want to join me? Sure. That sounds like a plan. Let's meet there at noon. I can't find my keys anywhere. Have you seen them? B. Did you check your coat pocket? A. Oh, there they are. Thanks for the reminder. I'm in the mood for some Chinese food tonight. How about you? B. Sounds good to me. Let's order some takeout. I'll look up the menu and place the order. What are your plans for the weekend? B. I'm going hiking with a group of friends. How about you? I'm visiting my family out of town. It's been a while since I last saw them. Have you finished reading that book you were talking about? B. Yes, I just finished it yesterday. It was a captivating story. I'll borrow it from you next. I need a good book to read. The weather is so nice today. Let's go for a walk outside. B. That sounds like a great idea. It's always refreshing to get some fresh air. I'm thinking of starting a new workout routine. Any suggestions? B. You could try running or taking up a dance class. Both are fun ways to stay active. I'll consider those options. Thanks for the advice. I'm craving something sweet. Should we bake cookies? B. That sounds delicious. Let's find a recipe and get started. I'll gather the ingredients while you preheat the oven. A. I received an invitation to a wedding. What should I wear? B. Is it a formal or semi-formal event? It's a formal wedding. I'll need to find a suit or a formal dress. I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed with work. Any tips on managing stress? B. You could try setting small goals and taking breaks throughout the day. I'll give that a try. Hopefully, it will help me stay focused. Did you watch the latest episode of our favorite TV show? B. Yes, and it ended on a cliffhanger. I can't wait for the next episode. A. I'm excited too. Let's discuss it once we've both seen it. I'm thinking of learning a new language. Which one should I choose? B. It depends on your interests and goals. Spanish and French are popular choices. I'll do some research and see which language appeals to me. Good morning. How was your weekend? B. It was great. I went hiking with my friends. How about you? A. I had a relaxing weekend at home. I watched some movies. Do you have any plans for the evening? B. Yes, I'm going to a concert with my sister. What about you? I'm meeting some friends for dinner at a new restaurant in town. A, what's your favorite hobby? B, I love playing the guitar. How about you? A, I enjoy painting and sketching in my free time. Did you see the latest episode of that TV show? B, no, I missed it. Was it any good? A, yes, it was really exciting. You should catch up on it. I'm thinking of adopting a pet. Any suggestions? B, how about getting a cat? They're low maintenance and adorable. That sounds like a good idea. I'll consider it. A, I'm so tired today. I didn't get much sleep last night. B, you should try drinking a cup of chamomile tea before bed. Thanks for the suggestion. I'll give it a try. What do you usually do to relax after a long day? B, I like taking a hot bath and reading a good book. That sounds really calming. I might try that tonight. I can't decide what to wear to the party tonight. B, why not go with a simple black dress? It's always a classic. That's a good suggestion. I'll go with that. I'm trying to eat healthier. Any tips? B, include more fruits and vegetables in your diet, and drink plenty of water. I'll make sure to follow your advice. Thanks. What's the best place you've ever traveled to? B, I absolutely love my trip to Japan. The culture and food were amazing. I've always wanted to visit Japan. It's on my bucket list. I'm thinking of starting a new exercise routine. Any recommendations? B, you should try yoga. It's great for flexibility and relaxation. I've heard good things about yoga. I'll give it a try. Have you seen the latest movie everyone is talking about? B, not yet. Is it worth watching? A, definitely. It has a great storyline and amazing special effects. I'm feeling a bit stressed lately. Any advice on managing stress? B, you could try meditation or going for a walk in nature. I'll give those a try. Thanks for the suggestions. I'm thinking of redecorating my living room. Any ideas? B, you could go for a minimalist look with neutral colors and clean lines. I like that idea. It would make the space feel more open. What's your favorite type of music? B, I enjoy listening to pop music. It always puts me in a good mood. I like pop music too, especially when I'm working out.